So the Hasidic master Dov Ber of Mezerich was the successor to the Baal Shem Tov, compares controlling our anger and getting honey from a beehive. What's the connection? He asks, how do we get honey from a hive without being stung? He says, by bringing fire and smoke to the hive until the bees are forced to leave. This is also how we scatter our anger, by drawing on the love and awe of God to chase away our anger. Now, how do we actually apply this idea in practice? So if another person says something to anger us, rather than nursing our hurt, let us concentrate on the feeling of the other person. Why does this person attack us? They would not strike out if they did not feel a lack in themselves. So rather than tapping into our anger, let us feel compassion. And I can assure you that if you hold compassion in your heart, then there'll be no place for anger to remain. In a sense, this is the fulfillment of the command to love your neighbor as yourself. We need to give the other person the love and understanding that we want for our own faults and struggles. Through the recognition of his or her humanity and pain, we will alleviate not only our own anger, but theirs as well.